Okay. It's a bit cold out here. Not really.
Where's the one near here?
There's none near here. But what?
Where's the one that we can hear?
All the way over there? Yes. I forgot. So there's one right there, which is like almost very close to us. But I don't know.
They always go off at 12?
Yes. Yay, that sucks. Well, it was cloudy this morning though.
Yeah.
So that might probably be the reason why. And here's something very random. January, I don't know what happened, but I managed to hear Plano. All the way from over here!
Huh?
Yes! And like Plano's like very far away though. Yeah, like seriously.
Yeah.
But like this last year. Okay.
Did you hear it?
No. Absolutely nothing.
I'm looking on the weather app to see if like we're supposed to get more rain today or...
I heard that I think
Oh, no.
No?
No more rain today.
But there is rain Friday. Honestly, who cares about Fridays since there's no school?
Yeah,
Yay.
exactly. I know I don't.
School sucks. Like seriously. What the?
Oh, this is sad. Maybe next month.
I was about to say maybe next year.
Maybe next year too.
Bruh.
Who knows?
Oh, but there's a problem, yeah.
What?
What?